Do you know what makes you attractive? Maybe you haven't thought about it, but are you having fun? I've been talking to so many people who tell me, I have a hard time being playful and fun. And if that is you, this could be the key factor on why you're not feeling chemistry when you're out on a date. Number one, you might be too much in interview mode and you're not telling enough stories and having fun in the process. Number two, try to be spontaneous. If you're too structured in your life and you're compartmentalizing your dating life and you're not just kind of going with the flow, that structure, the overstructure, might also be burning you out. Number three, are you letting go? Or are you so wound up, you're stressed out, you're in your head all the time? When you're more in your body and you're just kind of opening and letting go, so much happens. And if you are having a hard time having fun, definitely check out my new show coming up called Dating IRL. Stay tuned for more.